Welcome to online classes of Malabar Engineering College. Today I gonna take on the subject which based on machine design 2 and it comes for a 6 automobile. Okay, the topic we gonna discuss is the phases in a design. Like we cannot simply do a design. For doing a design, there are several step procedures that we need to follow before we designing. And I gonna discuss the various steps which we have taken into account for designing. Okay. First step, I had shown here the flowchart diagram of which step which is involved for a design purpose. First we have identification of need. First we have to identify what's the real need. Like when you take a thing, there should be a required thing and we look the satisfactory thing. Like that, we should find what is the real need of that. Okay, after we finding the real need, then comes definition of the problem. We need to find what the exact problem in that. After we find the need, we should find what's the exact problem in that. That comes the second phase. After we finding the problem, then we do the synthesis. Synthesis means the solution we find for that, and we have several steps, like we make a product to make the problem to be solved or several things like that. That's meant by synthesis. After synthesis comes a process known as analysis and optimization. After we synthesize, we analyze on it and how much it's efficient and optimize, like how much effective that method is. That comes the next step. And after analysis and optimization, then come the evaluation. After that, we have to evaluate like how much it is successful, the thing we make or the synthesis we done, how much successful it is. That we have to do in the step of evaluation. And after we find everything, after we find the evaluation it's more effective and beneficial, then we do for the the final step, which is known as a presentation. After presentation, we can say a product is newly designed. And these are the various steps in a phases or the phases in a design. Okay, if any problem occurs in the previous step, then the iteration process occurs. Like after identification of the need, then comes the defining the problem. After we find the problem, then we do the synthesis. After synthesis, we need to match with the identification of the need, whether the product synthesized is absolutely doing the matching with the definition of the need, like that. Identification of the need, like that, we need to cross match. After synthesizes, then come the analysis and optimization. Like analysis and optimization, whether it matches with the synthesis. Then we have evaluation and we find whether evaluation matches with the synthesis. If any variation, the simple steps, we cannot find what is the problem, then we go to the previous step backward. Like if we cannot find the evaluation, what's the need, it is like after doing evaluation we cannot find it, what exact the problem is, then we again go for like doing the identification of the need, like that. After synthesis also, we look whether the identification of need is satisfactory. And after analysis and optimization, then also we look the identification of need, whether the need is completely satisfied by that. And these are the various iteration steps and these are the various phases in a design process. After we do all the several design processes, we can say a design is highly successful. By this, I conclude my class. Thank you.